Welcome to the Simrad NSS 4. One of the standout features of the NSS 4 is its hybrid controls. The trio of control options, touch, rotary dial, and keypad, gives you full control in all conditions. A selection of thoughtfully designed buttons, dial, and slots ensures quick and easy access to your favorite features. For example, number 1. The top button is for accessing the main menu or activity bar. Number 2. The button below opens the app menu for quick access to device settings. Number 3. Rotary dial, useful for a variety of functions. Menu navigation, used to zoom in and out, push to select, and more. Number 4. The X button exits the current action or returns to the previous screen. Number 5. A dedicated waypoint button immediately marks a waypoint. Number 6. The power button powers the device on and off. Number 7. NSS 4 introduces new custom keys. These can be programmed for easy access to frequently used features. With the NSS 4's processing power, these custom keys make switching between apps fast and seamless. You can assign 2 separate actions to each button, which can be triggered by either a short press or a long press. Number 8. Dual SD card slot. Convenient front-facing slots for easy access to chart cards and memory cards. Simrad, never settle.